Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can be able to make this logo shine effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, bring the logo image into our timeline, and then switch to the Fusion page. Now select the Media in node, and then press Shift Space on your keyboard to bring the Select Tool menu, then here search for Glow, and then click Add. Now this glow node selected, click on this rectangle mask, and now go over to the Inspector tab. From here we have to modify the width and the height of this glow effect, so that it's a long rectangle that covers our entire logo image, and then adjust the angle of this glow effect, like so. And then move the playhead to the beginning of this animation. Now make a keyframe on the center parameter, and then just move out this rectangle mask from this logo image by clicking and dragging to the starting point from where we want to enter this shine effect, and then move up the playhead for a few frames, and then just move in this rectangle mask just over this logo image by clicking and dragging to the ending point from where we want to exit this shine effect. And also by using the soft edge parameter, we can be able to add softness to this effect. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!